Hello everyone, welcome back to your reading. My name is Twinkle and we will do a collective reading today. I want to see what is the energy of my collectives and I really want to see that also that what are the true intentions of the person you are dealing with right now. This can be any person and please keep this in mind that this is a general and collective reading. So maybe सारे messages आपसे resonate ना हो, but there is definitely 2-3 messages will resonate with you. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you are new here and please watch my other videos also जो आपको ज़्यादा कनेक्ट करे जिस जो पिक्चर और जो टॉपिक आपको ज़्यादा अच्छा करे आप वो वीडियोस देख सकते हो. ठीक है. So let's start with your reading. Please like my video. In that way, I will connect with your reading and energies. Okay, let's see. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. We will check what is the current energy of your connection. What is the current energy of my collective? What is the current energy of my collectives? We have the devil card. So much of um okay, that is why I was trying to make this video, but मैंने 2 बार वीडियो ऑन किया बट ये बन नहीं पाया, चालू नहीं हुआ है. When I'm fumbling when I'm talking to you guys, there is a throat chakra blockages also. I feel there is no communication and you are somehow feeling stuck with this person in this connection, and you know there is a third party. This this third party could be anyone, their parents, their work, or third person between you two, but there is a strong influence of third party here. I strongly feel a negative surroundings also. Let me check more. What is the current energy? I'm seeing fire sign prominent. So fire sign could be prominent in your chart or in their chart, और आप दोनों में से कोई एक पर्सन हो सकता है फायर साइन का हो. What are the current energies of my collective? Yeah, we have 4 of cups. Definitely here something has happened and one person has blocked their emotions. One person is, maybe one person has ghosted you. This person has ghosted you. Okay. Yeah. There's so much of stuck energies which I can see in card that बहुत सारी चीज़ें ना रुकी हुई है. Okay, let me see more. What do you want to tell to my collective? What do you want to tell to my collectives? Yeah, we have 8 of wands. There's so much of attraction and passion coming towards, but definitely this is not related to emotions. There is no emotional bond which I can see here. I can only see a physical attraction or a forceful connection till now. This person is not looking at you. This person is not looking at you. They are dealing with some people जिनसे उनको negative vibes आ रहे हैं, but they are still keeping themselves in that environment. Please tell me what will happen in this connection. Yeah, the Wheel of Fortune. I think you might had a toxic experience with this person, but now this person has, for few of you, this person has come back in your life with some new proposal, but you are ignoring that person. You know that what this person has given you in past. So वो जो past experience है ना, वो आपके subconscious mind में है, and you are not trusting this person now. समथिंग हैज़ हैपेंड इन पास्ट, मुझे पास्ट की एनर्जी आ रही है जो कि डेविलिश थी, जो कि बहुत ज़्यादा कंट्रोलिंग थी, बहुत ज़्यादा एंग्री अग्रेसिव थी. आई थिंक दिस पर्सन हैज़ कम बैक इन योर लाइफ. ऑल्दो ये कनेक्शन मुझे अभी नहीं दिख रहा है कि आप दोनों इतना कम्युनिकेट कर रहे हो विद दिस पर्सन. मे बी आर जस्ट ऑब्जर्विंग दिस पर्सन थोड़ा दूर से. ठीक है. What will happen? What will happen in this connection? Okay, so so this person wants to communicate with you, but you are not um giving them or accepting them anything. Yeah, you are just ignoring this person because you know that something was there, their intentions was not good in past, and you somehow got to know about this person that no, yeah, definitely this person wants to communicate with you. We will check the true intention. That is why I wanted to see true intentions today. I don't know, I never check intentions in collective energies, but we will check that for sure. What will happen in this connection? What will happen in this connection? Yeah, 10 of Wands. One person is making efforts and one person is just done with the conversation, done with the, yeah, somebody is trying to move on, trying to ignore. But there is, yeah, I can see that something has completed here. Maybe this connection is completed, or maybe you stop talking to this person, but now this person wants to talk to you. Yeah, so the moment you started ignoring this person, so listen, let me tell you, you saw this person, you felt attractive, you liked their personality, but you got to know that this person is not what they are showing, or not giving you that kind of respect and equal efforts which you are giving them. So you started to ignoring this person. Okay, yeah, so the moment you started ignoring this person, came with that energy, and they somehow started chasing you. Okay, yeah, exactly. We have that card. Something has majorly happened here, but I feel there's a new beginning, or maybe you're just controlling your emotions because of past traumas also. Because ये एक जनरल रीडिंग है, कुछ लोगों के लिए उनके एक्स के बारे में यहाँ बताया जा रहा है दैट वो वापस आए हैं, एंड कुछ लोग अपने पास्ट एक्सपीरियंस को लेके इतना डरे हुए हैं दैट दे डू वांट टू एक्सेप्ट अ प्रपोजल जो एक पर्सन जेन्युइनली उनके लिए फील करता है. ठीक है. Okay, let me see what will happen. What will happen? Yeah, this person is was not giving you what you were expecting. There was no equal give and take in past. And now they are coming back with the energies that now वो अब efforts लगाना चाहते हैं. I feel there is no balance here. Someone is uh, making too much efforts, and other one is just ignoring the person. Yeah, you are just begging here that please, please forgive me, or please just talk to me, please share me what is going on in your mind. Yeah, I felt like you have begged to this person, but they just told you that no, it is done. I got a confirmation. Yeah, there was so much of commitment issues which I can see, but definitely this person wants to talk to you, and they are just finding ways कि आपसे वो कैसे communicate करे. Let me tell you, this is a person with strong fire sign. Yeah, fire sign is prominent here. What will happen next? Okay. Okay, yeah, completion, a happy family. So everything was going good, and somehow this connection ended. Yeah, because I am seeing 10 10 10 की energy काफ़ी है यहाँ पे. Maybe you're seeing 10 10. Yeah, you're definitely seeing 10 10 or 1001. We have 6. Maybe you're seeing triple six also. 6969. Yeah, this is a definitely a past person who wants to come back, because see, we have a 10 of cups also. So this was a beautiful connection which ended because of some circumstances, and now you're just getting hints and sign, and maybe you're getting messages from this person, and you're like, no, I don't want to deal with this person again. Yeah, we have page of cups, a water sign also. Let me see if their true intentions for you. What are the true intentions of this person for my collective? Oh my god. Something is here कि आपके हाथ में नहीं था situation. Yeah, definitely आपके हाथ में नहीं था situation, and things just happened. And आप बहुत ज़्यादा उस वक्त खुद को संभाल नहीं पाए. Please tell me. I got a confirmation. Maybe you're seeing 1221 also. Do let me know guys. अगर आपको ये reading resonate करती है, please do let me know in comment section. Please tell me what are their true intentions and feelings for my collectives. Yeah, boundaries. I see a distance also. Maybe someone has blocked, or maybe you two live far from each other. There could be a physical or mental distance. You might have made a boundaries कि I don't want कि मेरे आसपास इतने ज़्यादा लोग आए, मैं अब किसी पे ट्रस्ट नहीं करना चाहता या चाहती. Yeah, you are making boundaries. You don't want to let this person come in your comfort zone now. You are like, I have done with my giving energies. I've given a lot of my energies to this person. Now I don't want to deal with such kind of disrespectful or yeah. What are the true intentions and feelings of this person for my collectives? Yeah, realizing, this person has realized a lot that they there was fault in situation, or their behavior could be something which caused this distance and separation between you two. Maybe this person has blocked you or ghosted you. Yeah, definitely this person has ghosted you, but now they are realizing a lot. These are their true intentions towards you. What are their true intentions? What are their true intentions? What did I say? Realization. See, realization is a lot. This person is releasing, they want to release the past trauma, they want to release the past experience, and they want to build a new connection and start a new bond with you. They are just viewing this connection कि इसमें एक hope है अभी, things can get better, so they are coming with the energy कि मैं कुछ ठीक कर सकता हूँ, तो ये एक मेरा last chance हो सकता है या सकती है. This person has done some kind of awakening उनका हुआ है यहाँ पे. Definitely there was so much of misunderstanding also यहाँ पे because of no communication. Somehow you two were connected emotionally with each other with on a spiritual level, but there was no communication. So आप दोनों ने ही अलग अलग opinions बना लिए एक दूसरे के लिए. Definitely. Please tell me what are their true feelings and intentions for my file. Why did I file? No, for my collectives. What are their true feelings and intentions for my collective? Yeah, silence. One person was silence. One person was not ready to share their emotions, or maybe you kept quiet because of disappointment. Maybe right now also this person is not talking to you, but definitely this person will come to express their feelings. They will come up with a message or call. Yeah, 110%. Please tell me what are their true intentions for my collective. Clinging. Okay, somebody is spying this person. Obviously, this person is spying on you, holding on to you. They want to hold you now, and they don't want to let you go because they have realized a lot. See, they have realized a lot. Yeah, definitely this transformation has happened from devil energy. We have here a wheel of fortune, so definitely a transformation has happened and this person has realized a lot of things. They want to a reunion with you. They are coming with a reconciliation. What are their true intentions for my collectives? Yeah, time. Okay, the time and situation has changed now. Now this person is making efforts, and you are keeping them away. Yeah, yeah, they have worked a lot, to be honest. The cycle is ended. Yeah, with the time and the wheel of fortune, the cycle has ended here. Okay, we have intimacy. So maybe you two shared a very pure bond, and they find that this is the kind of connection they want now. So, yeah, they want a reconciliation here. They want a reconciliation. We have Page of Cups. Yeah, they want to balance now. So there was no equal give and take before, but now they want to balance, and they are alone here, and वो अकेले ही अब चीज़ें संभालना चाहते हैं, बैलेंस बनाना चाहते हैं. या सो दिस वाज योर रीडिंग माय कलेक्टिव. आई होप आपको काफ़ी ज़्यादा क्लैरिटी मिली हो, एंड डू लेट मी नो कि आपको और किस टॉपिक पे वीडियोस चाहिए. आप मेरे बाकी के वीडियोस भी देख सकते हो. इंस्टाग्राम का लिंक मैं आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूँगी. वहाँ पे भी मैं रेगुलरली पोस्ट करती हूँ रील्स एंड मैसेजेस, सो प्लीज़ वहाँ भी चेकआउट कर लेना. एंड आई विल सी यू इन माई नेक्स्ट वीडियो. बाय.